In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Jira timeline into a Confluence page. We'll walk through this process from start to finish so that by the end, you'll be able to display a live visual timeline of your Jira issues right inside your documentation. This is really useful for status pages, project briefs, or wiki spaces where stakeholders want a quick overview without jumping into Jira every time. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence space where you want the timeline to appear. Start by selecting a page. You can either open an existing page you'd like to update or create a brand new one if you're setting up a fresh project overview. Once that page is open, switch it into edit mode if it isn't already. You should see the main editor where you can type and format content. Next, we're going to add the Jira timeline using the editor's embed options. Click into the spot on the page where you want the timeline to appear. This helps keep the layout organized, especially if you're combining it with text, images, or other macros. In the editor, start typing the word embed or use the / command to bring up the list of available macros. Confluence will show you different options you can insert into the page. From the list that appears, look for the Jira timeline option and click on it. This is the macro that connects your Confluence page to Jira and lets you display a timeline view of issues. If you're not seeing it immediately, try typing Jira into the search field in the macro picker to filter the options. After you select Jira Timeline, Confluence will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these carefully. Typically, you'll be asked to choose a Jira project, a saved filter, or a specific board that you want to visualize. You might also be able to adjust the time range, group issues by assignee or epic, and control how much detail appears on the timeline. Take a moment to confirm that the issues being pulled in match what you expect to see. When you're done with the prompts and the preview looks right, insert the timeline into the page and then publish or update the page to save your changes. Once it's published, your Jira timeline will be interactive for viewers, letting your team see live project data directly within Confluence.